Hi everyone, good afternoon. I'm here in Summerlin, Las Vegas. My name is Dr. Crispino Santos, MD, and Mr. Bong Atañedo has asked if I could say something about their product, NC Plus, Deer Placenta. And before I start, I'd like to introduce myself. My medical background, and I just recently retired a few years ago, and graduated in 1979 Far Eastern University. Immediately after graduation, I migrated to California and did my residency in general surgery, 3 years, anesthesiology 3 years. Then I did my fellowship in Tampa General Hospital in Tampa, Florida. After my year fellowship, then my first practice was in Mason City, Iowa, when I started a cardiac anesthesia program. So I did anesthesia for about 9 years in Iowa, doing anesthesia. Then we moved to Las Vegas back in 98, 99, and I started doing mostly interventional procedures or pain management. So I was doing mostly chronic pain management, and I was board certified in anesthesiology, board certified also in pain management, pain medicine, interventional pain medicine, and I'm a fellow of the interventional pain practice. And I have practiced over 33 years before I retired. So the first part of my practice here in Las Vegas purely focused on chronic pain management, dealing mostly spine and joint and other chronic condition or pain management like cancer management. And throughout the years, I have educated myself and attended several workshops, webinar conferences, and I did additional training for doing procedures such as morphine pump implantation and spinal cord stimulation for controlling spine and joint pain, cancer pain, radiofrequency ablation, and many other neurolytic procedures. The last part of my practice, about 10-15 years, I got involved into transition, and I have established Regenerative Cell Institute, and primarily I transitioned my practice into regenerative type of medicine, which involves the use of biologics, PRP, stem cells from bone marrow, fat stem cells, in other words, fat-derived stem cells, or stem cells also from the newborn, from the placenta or umbilical cord, mesenchymal stem cells. So I transitioned to regenerative medicine and interventional pain management because I was thinking that I actually stopped using steroid for my injections because they only give temporary results, and in fact they even harmful or give bad results for those people who routinely have injections to their hip or knee or any type of joint. So I stopped using that and transitioned to how I could help the patients treat the naturally and actually a cure or a treatment rather than just a temporary relief. So In addition to my interventional procedures, I have also educated myself, attending the anti-aging conference every year here in Nevada, in Las Vegas, to learn the use of peptides, nutraceuticals or supplements, and many other things, rather than using the pharmaceutical or drugs like narcotics or any other type of sedatives. So one of these things are biologicals to cure the natural or help the body improves themselves. So then I came across with Mr. Bong Tañedo, and the first time that actually I met him many years ago was because I was introduced by a friend of mine in Palawan, Dr. Rico Fontillas, a very good friend of mine, who introduced me to start using Deer Placenta by this company, Purtier. And then Mr. Bong Tañedo is our upline in the networking. So I met him the first time, and we talk about the Deer Placenta, and I was always curious, or try the products myself and for my patients. So I was very curious about this Deer Placenta, and we talk, and we have a good talk, and our concern with Portier is that very expensive. And so, but we have heard of good results of the Deer Placenta. So I was kind of curious of starting it myself and for my patients. So if I remember, a few weeks later or months or two, I met Mr. Bong Tañedo again, and now we talk about his new products, NZ Plus Deer Placenta. And so the good thing about this is, number one, is that, by the way, before I continue about these products, and let me be clear first. Anything I say here or about the product is all my own honest personal opinion about the products, and it is not. I just want to share my story and the results that I have with my patients, family, and friends. And also, this product is no way approved or endorsed by FDA for treatment or cure of any diseases. So I have to have this disclosure as a medical provider or as a medical doctor. So I want to just be very clear that anything I said here is basically based on my experience, and I'm going to share, and actually not being paid by Mr. Tañedo about speaking about the product. Anyway, like I said, we were talking about the NC Plus, and the good thing about this is, number one, the price is almost half the price of Portier. Secondly, I look at the ingredients, and not only it's about the same, but it's even better, especially the recent modification that Bong has done with his products, and anyway, I started using that many years ago. And in fact, the very first one that I was there in the Philippines visiting my family, and I have a niece from Bulacan. She's suffering from SLE, which is systemic lupus erythematosus. And when I first saw her at that time, she couldn't even walk. She has assisted by her daughter. She got severe pain and swelling in both legs. And I look at the blood results and that she brought, and it's clearly diagnosed as systemic lupus erythematosus, or SLE in short, which is an autoimmune disease. Anyway, I explained to my niece that, look, this is not a treatment, this is not a medication, this is actually supplement that she may try, because I've heard good things about the product. So I wasn't really promising her anything. So after 3 months, actually, I believe I was already back here in Las Vegas. She called me. She sent all the result blood reports that was repeated, and all her symptoms. To my surprise, like I said, I wasn't really expecting what will I see from her. That all the swelling, she was is gone. Her pain is much better, and she's able to walk without any more assistance. So really surprised and happy to hear that. And it's also supported by the blood work that everything improved. So that's my first amazing results. And since then, I believe in the products, and I've been taking this for years with my family and friends. And in my patients, I actually recommended this to my patient, who are mostly suffering from, and there is another study that I need to actually really tell everyone, that I have a friend here, an internal medicine. She has a very busy internal medicine practice. She tried Proteor, and she said she couldn't tolerate. She had upset stomach. So what I did is, at the clinic, I actually gave her a capsule, and she tried, and she's able to tolerate it. And she didn't start Proteor because she could not tolerate. So anyway, this NC Plus, she was able to tolerate it. So since then, she's been prescribing in her clinic, and she's one of my biggest client here in Las Vegas. And she has an observation, and we get some feedback with her practice. What amazing thing is, during the COVID years, that every single one of her patients that are taking the supplements, she mentioned to me that none of them had contracted COVID. And also, those who had experienced or had contracted COVID at that time has recovered faster when they started on this supplement. So that's one really amazing, and ever since she's been prescribing almost every single one. But keep in mind, by the way, taking this NC Plus Deer Placenta is not just for those people who are actually suffering from chronic conditions or anything. It's basically for everyone. It's more of like preventive. You can start it while you're still healthy or feeling good. You don't want to wait till you're suffering from severe problem. And the good thing about it, I look at the products, and Mr. Tenedo had really improved this product a lot with Deer Placenta, Deer Antler Velvet, quercetin, fucoidan, squalene, marine collagen peptides, grapeseed extract, evening primrose oil, borage oil, avocado oil, aloe vera, lycopene. And actually, I suggested Mr. Tenedo to add zinc at that time when we are having COVID breakout anyway. So this product, I mean, every single ingredient have studies the benefits of each ingredient, and they put together in one product, NC Deer Placenta. So overall, the general quality of this product is really very good. The ingredients, look at the ingredients, and you can look on the brochure and everything on the study on the study of this each individual ingredients, that they're very, very good in number one in supporting the skin support, metabolic, whether from sugar or cholesterol, anti-aging, rejuvenation, boosting the immunity. It has antioxidant, vitamins, and minerals. So this is more like a basic supplement that everyone should be taking, healthy or not, and they can just add or modify, adding other supplements based on their specific medical conditions. Again, not everyone will have the same results. Everyone may have a different benefits or experience with this product, because everyone is different. We have different DNA. We're exposed. We have a different exposure to environment, pollution, contamination, and so everyone may have a different result. Might have some immediate results. Some may take months to see the results. But the bottom line is this product is very, very safe. This is very safe. And Mr. Bong Taniedo, Mr. Bong Taniedo actually has researched the product. He actually visited the company. So when looking at the products, definitely, particularly the supplements, which are not really regulated or actually by the FDA, other than registration and compliance. But the important thing is, number one, is the quality of the products. Make sure that it is manufactured by high-end or actually well-established nutraceutical company that follows the standard of good manufacturing production. Also, the ingredients are good, and also the price. Price is usually secondary to me. My very first thing when I look at the supplements is actually the results. I always try and products, and if there's a better product, then I stay with it. And this is one product that I have been taking, and all my family and friends have been taking with very good results. That So like I said, it's for everybody, and these products will actually, the most important thing that I look at is the antioxidant effect, anti-inflammatory effects of these products, because the ingredients in this Deer Placenta is actually not only will signal our body to release this anti-inflammation peptides in our body, anti-inflammatory effects, but because of its the growth factors within these products, it stimulates regeneration, healing the body, helping the body to regenerate, stimulate regeneration or repair of damaged tissue, inflamed tissue. The number one cause of actually aging is actually inflammation, and chronic inflammation in our body, inflammation of the organs. So if we control inflammation, then we control aging, because there is a term called inflammaging. We're aging because of inflammation. Not only that, if we improve inflammation, we improve our aging. Secondly, we also improve our health by preventing or getting cancer. So most of these products are actually, they label it anti-cancer. It helps those people from getting cancer. So inflammation. So number one causes of, as you know, of death still in the U.S. and everywhere is cardiovascular death, meaning heart attack or stroke. Cancer is only second in the cause of death. The nice thing also with this product is it has a lot of antioxidant, to fight those free radicals, and also those omega-6 or fatty acids that are essential to maintain the blood pressure, cardiovascular health, and also the brain health. So I it I won't have a lot of time to explain all of this essential, each of this ingredient. All I can say is this is really a good product. But again, let me emphasize to everybody that not because you take this Deer Placenta, it will cure everything, and this is the only thing you need to know. No. Most important, that's the reason they call it a supplement. It's just supplement our body to make sure we have the essential nutrients needed by our body. But the most important thing is everyone should have changed their lifestyle from avoiding processed foods, avoiding rice or soda, all those canned foods or anything processed with all those toxic, in other words, preservatives. And also we have to pay attention to how we handle our body, make sure we have good sleep, rest, sleep, and also actually exercises. An important thing is avoiding stress. You can do a lot of things, doing yoga, meditation, or even just walking. My point is that supplement, especially NC+, Deer Placenta, is just one of your primary basic supplement that you have to start, and also change your lifestyle to improve your health. Again, I think I covered pretty much that Mr. Bong Taniedo asked me to say about the Deer Placenta. Well, anyway, thank you very much for listening. And if you have any specific personal or questions, Mr. Bong Taniedo has my contact. I'll be happy to even give you maybe personal or friends advice, or share what I do in my life as far as staying healthy, staying what I do, and especially what products, especially these products. Well, thank you everyone for listening.